Hello grade 9. Today we will solve exercise 1.3 question number 1. According to this question, the question is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansions each has. The first part is 36 over 100, second is 1 over 11 and third is 4 1 over 8. So this is first question of exercise 1.3. We have to explain that following decimal form. So 36 over 100 decimal expression. So 36 over 100 we can write, that is 36 over 100, that is lower denominator part is 100, so we can write this in 0.36. Here decimal expansion of given number is terminating, that is if we will divide 36 by 100, so here we will firstly take point, add 0 here, firstly take point के आगे 0 लगानी होती है, आपको पता है. 100 3 the 300 60 point we have already taken, and before 60 we will apply 0. ठीक है, 106 the 600, so 36 over 100 is 0.36. It is, this number is terminating number, terminating, that is ये पूरा डिवाइड हो रहा है आपका, ठीक है, दिस इज टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. द नेक्स्ट इज 1 over 11. 1 over 11. So divide 1 by 11 by long division method. What you will get? Point. Another 0 we have to take. 0, then apply 0 over there. 11 9 the 99. 11 9 the 99. So again 1 is here. Point we have already taken, तो 0 भी हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Write 0. ठीक है, 0 लिख लो आप 1 के पीछे. So 10 couldn't be divided by 11, so we apply one more 0 and in our answer we will write 0. ठीक है, again same we are getting, so it could be written in the form of 0.09 bar, क्योंकि ये बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ठीक है, अगेन एंड अगेन इट्स रिपीटिंग, सो 1 और 11 कैन बी राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0.09 बार. 09 बार, जो 0909 है वो इनफाइनाइट टाइम्स लिखा जा सकता है. ठीक है, सेम नंबर्स आर अकरिंग अगेन अगेन, सो इट कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0.09 बार. जो 09 के ऊपर मैंने लाइन लगाई उसको बार बोलते हैं. दिस इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, दिस इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, बिकॉज ये नंबर 1 over 11 इज नॉट फुल्ली डिवाइडेड बाय 11. ठीक है, ये एग्जैक्ट डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, और जो हमारे 2 डिजिट हैं वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं इन दिस डिवीजन. 0.09 जो है 09 दोबारा आ रहे हैं, तो इस नंबर को हम नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर बोलेंगे. So your answer of this is the decimal expansion is non terminating and repeating. The third is 4 1 over 8. So firstly this is mixed fraction, you will convert it into proper fraction or improper fractions. 8 4 the 32 plus 133 over 8. So you will divide 33 by 8. 8 3 the 24. 8 4 the 32. 8 4 the 32 you have written, 1 you have taken, 3 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So point we will take, 0 is here, 8 1 the 8, so 2 is here, point we have already taken, 0 we will take, 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, 4 is here. Point we have already taken 0, we will take 8 5 the 40. So 4.125, 4.125. So decimal form of 141/8 is 4.125. This is terminating. Hope you have understand this. Clear? Yes, it's very easy. You can do by yourself easily. So next part is 3/13. So same division is here. We will divide 3 by 13. Point we will take 13 to the 26. 13 to the 26. 4 is there. Again 0 we will take 13 3 the 39. 1 is there. 0 we have taken, point लिया हुआ है हमने, but 10 couldn't be divided by 13. So again 0 we will write. 13 7 the 91. Okay. So 9 is the remainder. Again take 0. So what you are observing in this division? That is 13 7 the 91. 13 6 the 9 is the remainder. 78 you will write. 13 6 the 78. So what you are observing? So in our answer, नहीं हो रहे हैं. Let's numbers are not repeating and also the answer is not terminating. 120. पूरा divide भी नहीं हो रहा है and 39 the numbers are also not repeating. 0.230769 repeat नहीं हो रहे हैं. 17. Further we will do this. 3 is remainder. ठीक है. Now it's repeating. Again 13 to the 26. So it's non-terminating number. Now it's repeating. Non-terminating. 0. Divide नहीं हुआ है पूरा but repeating. 0 you will take. Terminating and repeating. Again you will write. Hope you are understanding this. So this is non-terminating and repeating. Like this you will solve. Non-terminating number. Repeating, non-terminating and repeating. The next question is 2/11. So again we will divide 2 by 11. So this you can write like this, 0.230769 bar. So 3/13 is 230769 bar. 2/11. Fifth question is 2 divided by 11. Point you will take 11 1 the 11, 9 is remainder. 0 will be there. 11 8 the 88. Two is there. 0 11 1 the 11. So ये यहीं तक हो रहा है. ठीक है. 18 is repeating. So answer of 2/11 is 0.18 bar. 0.18 bar. This is non-terminating. So next question जो 6 part है 329/400. This I am giving to you homework. ये आप खुद करोगे. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. क्लियर? थैंक यू.